All right. Why is my camera off, bro? Hold up. Oh my gosh. Get this camera turned on. There we go. Chat, I'm having camera issues. I don't know what's going on with my camera. My camera's tweaking, chat. I don't know what's going on with it. I feel like I need to get a new battery for my camera. Nas catching a decent sell here at open. Getting a little bit weak coming to the downside here. Back down to VWAP. Chat, how we doing, bro? How was your weekend? How was Memorial Day? What did we do? Talk to me. What were the vibes for Memorial Day? Watching the Nasdaq here. We're back above VWAP. Back above the VWAPski. See if Nas ends up holding or we get back below VWAP and continue to move to the downside. Pretty weak move coming off open there. We'll see if the Nasdaq continues to get weak. Nas continuing to get weak, moving down here. Catching a decent little sell there. Level at traded down to 230, 238s. Popping back up here. A lot of volatility off open. Lots of volatility off open here. Watching shorts to see if there's a good short entry for us to get short off of. So far, Nas is looking like it's trying to get weak here. So holding below VWAP. Holding below the VWAPski. Really hovering these 50s. Now it's trying to make another leg down there. Get below 36s, we could see some lower pricing. All right, there it goes below those 36s there. Decent move to the downside. All right. Whoa, G-Man. How we doing, bro? Making sure everything's all good with the stream here. Yep, we're looking good. Looking good. All right. Nas trading 200s. We got a nice little move to the downside there on the Nas. Coming down to the 200s. Not a bad little sell there. Looking at, honestly, the 150s. We could come down and see the 150s here. Come down to the 150s. Let's take a look at news real quick. Let's make sure we're not missing anything here. Looking at, we do have, wait, what is today? 27th? We do have consumer confidence coming out at 9 o'clock Central Time. So we got to watch for that. Paul, what up? Good morning. First time here. Looking forward to learning from you. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you guys had a good Memorial Day. Had a good weekend. For me, it was rainy. Had some plans to go out on the lake and do some fishing. Obviously, the weather here had other plans for Memorial Day, and it's been raining literally the past like 4 days. Kind of crazy. A lot of rain, so was unable to go to the lake. But you know what? We had some family time in, some time away from the charts, which is always good. And here we are. So looking to make a little bit of money, get some payouts. Hoping to get a payout this week. We are, let's see, what are we? About $800 away from getting a payout. Not bad. Not bad. If we can get a payout this week, that'll be our second payout this month. And we'll be sitting at about $18,000 in payouts this month. Also not bad. We will take that. So looking to see what we can grab here on the day. We have taken some trades. Well, I've taken one trade. So far, I've taken some trades in my top 1 accounts and Tradify accounts. Top 1, we're up 427 on the funded accounts. Our Tradify eval accounts, we are down on the day so far. And we do have top step accounts pulled up here. So we're going to look to see, get some top step accounts funded if we can. So I think we're going to, since we are green in our funded accounts, up 427 in the fundeds, I think we'll put a big focus on the top step evaluations today to see if we can get these one step closer to the funded level. So that's what we'll put a lot of focus into today. And if something comes across, like if I see something that's, super A plus, like I need to, like it's my setup and it looks good to take, we'll take it in the fundeds. But we're not really going to push too much there. Just the fact that we're already up, $400 on those accounts. So looking pretty good. Looking pretty good, chat. Looking pretty good. So we'll trade, put a big focus on the top set evals for this stream, and then we will come back this evening. So we have this morning stream, and then chat. We're gonna do a evening stream as well tonight. Trade some gold. Trade some gold, chat. What up, Mario? Good morning. Good morning. Real quick, chat. I need to send a couple of Discord messages. Okay. All right, got to push down to the what was that, 190s. Getting a nice little buy up here, up to the 230s. Watching Nasdaq kind of feeling a little bit sick today, chat. Nasdaq is feeling a little bit weak, so we'll see what happens. Zooming out here, let's just go to a little bit higher of a time frame just to get a general idea of what we got, what we're working with. Yeah, so like on the higher time, like on the 30-minute time frame, we're kind of in the middle of all of this sideways action, right? So there's really not much to do where we're at. Maybe wait for these key levels to get tested. We can go look at some London and Asia levels. We have London highs up there at 354-ish. Asia lows down there at 141. So something to watch for levels wise. Take this little line here and just wait, what was that level? It was 353. Wait, am I on the right thing? What am I looking at here, chat? Chat, am I tripping? There is a large price discrepancy here. $217, we're trading to. Yeah, I mean, that's looking good, but why are these highs? Oh, wait, I'm on the wrong time frame. That's gotta be why. Right? Hold on. That's gotta be why. Let's go back and look. Okay, there we go. I was on the wrong time frame. That's why I was like, what? I'm tripping right now. Like, why is my pricing look so different? Okay, anyways, London highs sitting up there at 353. So I'm gonna just do that. Just kind of mark this as oops, London high. Holy moly, that needs to be scaled down a lot. So we'll move that We got London high there. We got Asia high. And then what we got? Asia low down there at 141. So this, yeah, Asia low down here, 141s. Okay. Bang, bang. London low, we're already kind of below here. We got London low at, what was it, 253? There we go. Go ahead and get those levels marked out there. Let's see. Where is my chat? I feel like everything like is so messed up right now. What am I looking at here? Where's my like I don't have my VWAP indicator on here, nothing, bro. I don't know what's going on. Charts are all messed up. All right. Anyways, we are trading up here at London low, 250s. G-Man says, smash a like button. Yeah, if you guys haven't smashed a like button, I don't know what you're doing, bro. Help me out. Help your boy. It's a free way to support the channel. Gets more people on the streams. Do me a favor. Smash it with serious authority. Mario, I'm feeling under the weather today, so not sure if I would trade today. Just listening, you know, that's okay. If you're not feeling well, don't trade. I recommend it. I recommend taking a day off if you're not feeling well. Get yourself feeling good again. And trade for, trade another day. Absolutely, positively nothing wrong with that. This back over here. All right, let's get VWAP back on. I don't know why my VWAP was off. Now it's catching a little bit of a buy up here. I heard that U.S. had more loan than GDP. U.S. is in serious debt. That's what you're referring to. I blame my kids. They both got sick on it Friday at school. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that. My kids go to school and they bring all that junk back to my house. Veronica thought I was trading micros. It was actually minis, but I was in now at 9:57 today on PA. That was scary. Call it a day and go enjoy yourself. Have a margarita. That's what I would do. Halftime in the building. What's up, big dog? How you doing, bro? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, bro? smashing through London low again, and getting back above the VWAP ski. Moving and grooving, chat. Moving and grooving. Getting a little bit of movement. I don't know, chat. We're going to look for a long here. Let's pull back. I don't know, chat. I don't know. What do you think? Look for a long? I like that we're back above London low, back above VWAP. Maybe come down, get a little bit of a retest, and send us back to the upside, to the moon, maybe. It's kind of what I'm looking for. We'll see if we get a little retest. Something to be careful, though. We do have news coming out. Was it at 9 o'clock? Here in, what time is it? About 10 minutes. We have consumer confidence. Do I really want to take a trade before news? There's my retest. There was my retest, chat, and it would have paid me big time. That's okay. Oh, buddy, would it have paid? No worries. The day is still young. Good 12K payoff for my fun futures today. Ooh, let's go. Little 12K payday is not bad. Not bad at all. Chat, my camera died. I don't know what's going on with my camera, bro. I'm just gonna leave my camera off for right now. My camera's it's tweaking, chat. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm gonna have to figure it out. I'm sorry. You can't see my beautiful face on this beautiful Tuesday morning. Chat, what'd you guys do for Memorial Day? Let me know in the comments. What'd you guys do? What was the plans? What were the vibes for Memorial Day? I can tell you, for me, it was raining. I didn't do anything. The rain kind of ruined Memorial Day. It rained all weekend. What'd you guys do? Let me know in the comments. What were the vibes? Did we have the cookout? Did we go to the lake, the ocean, the beach, the boats? Went to Maryland to visit friends. Maryland. Went to a water park with my kids, but left at lunch when it started raining. Gotcha. I mean, you're at a water park, right? Who cares if it rains? You're wet regardless. You're wet no matter what. Had a barbecue on Sunday at a friend's house. Nice. Our girlfriend saw it and she wanted a dinner, 5-star dinner. I mean, sometimes you gotta treat the lady. You gotta treat the queen sometimes. You know what I mean? They close their eyes due to lightning. Oh, that's a bummer. I know. I was trying to convince my dad to still go out on the boat and just go fishing and stuff. Who cares if it's raining? We're on the lake. Just throw on some raincoats. We'll be all right. He wasn't about that, though. But also, too, it was like kind of cold and rainy at the same time. It was like 60 degrees and wet. And it's just like not good. Just not good. Like, I feel like I came from Florida from like 85 to 90 degree weather, sunny as can be, to 60-degree weather and just rain everywhere. And I'm just like, I should have stayed in Florida. I shouldn't have come back. I should have stayed in Florida another week. I should have flown down just to pick up the kids and then go back to Florida for a week. That's what I should have done. All right, we have consumer confidence coming out in 5 minutes. Five minutes. She's with you for 17 years, and of course you got to treat her to a 5-star, bro. I mean, come on. You got to take the queen. Take her to the best restaurant in town. All right, we're getting this large push up to the upside here. Okay. Let me know how it goes. Let me know how it goes. Chad, it's going to be a little bit shorter of a stream today. I do have some things I have to take care of this afternoon, or well, this late morning into the afternoon. So it'll be a little bit shorter of a stream today. We'll see if we can take any trades. But we do have some stuff to take care of today. But we'll see what we can get into. We will be live again. Also, we are doing a stream later this evening for gold. So we'll be live trading some gold as well. Hovering these 290s. Waiting for consumer confidence to come out. Joey, what's the best time for a marriage proposal? What you mean, bro? Well, y'all been together 17 years and you're not married? Am I saying that right? $17 and you're not married? I mean, 17 years, you're pretty much already you're pretty much married at that point. Holy. She probably waiting on you like, bro, like what? Like what's taking so long, dog? Holy. It's coming around to the 18th year anniversary. She's like, any day now. Any day. I've waited 18 years for this. Still gonna push up here. Mario says maybe recreate your first date. Do you remember what the first date was 17 years ago? How old were you guys 17 years ago? Holy, I'm interested in this. All right, consumer confidence coming out. Missed the orb entry from being away. Might get another op. All right, we're moving up on news here, chat. We're getting into this resistance area. Large move up. Very large move up. We're up over 100 points from these lows here. We are moving up into London highs. If we can get up there, about 30 points. 30 points off. I'm going to keep my camera off for now, chat, just because I don't know what's going on with it. It's been acting a little weird. So I'm just going to take it off. We'll just take all of this off here. Oops, no, did not want to display that. I need to take that off. Wait, where is my... There we go. There. Well, let's take it all off screen there. Let's keep the camera off this morning, chat, because my camera's being weird. So let's keep the camera off this morning and just trade without a camera. Still working up to London high up here. We're going to wait and see how we react once we get up there. Obviously, we're pretty bullish. So we'll just wait and see how we do when we get up here. Today's stream is only going to be about probably like an hour long or so. Because I do have some things to get to this morning, but we're going to see if we can take anything before then. It's going to be an early trading day for me, chat. And then, of course, we will be live trading gold later this evening. Chat, as a reminder, Apex is 90% off. Get Apex count. Go JM there. Tradify 35% off. Take profit 30% off. No activation fee. You can see in the corner of your screen there, JM, for all the best deals possible. Working at the London highs here. Absolutely just smashing all the way up to London highs. We are rocking and rolling. Nas looking like she's trying to get pretty bullish here. We get a breakout above London high and Asia highs. We could be rocking and rolling unless we, for some reason, fail it. See, when we take some trades on these take profit account, or sorry, take profit on these top step accounts. We are up already 420 in the funded account, so not really gonna touch much over there. We're gonna see what we can grab in these top step evals. I really need to get funded with top step again, just to get some accounts there. I like the, I just like trading top step X or Project X. I like trading Project X. I'm really hoping Tradeify gets Project X soon. I think they're going to, from conversations that I've had. But like the other firms that have Project X, like the only other firm I trade that has Project X is Top One. I don't really trade with like TickTick or anybody else. I know Apex is not going to get Project X. Like I don't think that's ever going to happen. It'd be nice if Take Profit got Project X too. I just don't like Tradeivate anymore, chat. I don't know. I feel like I trade better on Project X. They have well charts, so doubt it. Yeah. Project X is just, it's such a good platform. It's visually appealing, can do a lot more with it. Definitely a lot better. All right, coming up to the 338s. We have London high up there at 353s. Ish. 353-ish. See what happens if we can get up there to that London level. Chad, if you haven't already, do me a favor and smash that like button. Let's get some likes up on the stream. Send 12 likes. You need to get those likes up. Let's get the likes up. Get some more people in here. Helps the YouTube algorithm a lot more than you may think. Here we come to the London high. About 10 points off from London high. How long is the 90% off? I'm looking right now to see how long it goes till. I might need to get up on their website and look, actually. Hang on. I will take a look. Looks like until it runs through tomorrow. So tomorrow might be the last day. I think the 28th is the last day. All right, here we come to London High. What a ripper. A nice little dip and rip, chat. Look at that. A little dip and rip. Love it. Not bad PA on this to start the week, really. I say start the week, and yesterday was a holiday. I really don't even count yesterday. So I'm saying as we start the week, not bad PA so far. I hope I didn't jinx it. Looks like we did break a London high there. See if it can hold a break here above the high, that London high. Work up to Asia high here. We got Asia high sitting at 61. Looking like she wants to go claim that. Chat, we'll do a time stop trade here just to get a break above Asia high. See if we can catch that little break. We don't need to look for a whole lot on it. This is a time stop trade, so either it goes or it doesn't. If it goes against me, we're going to immediately kill this. Probably give it down to like 45 or so. So we are not going to sit in this a whole lot because it's a very high risk trade. This is one of those trades where it either goes in your favor or it doesn't. And you kill it as soon as it doesn't. Trying to see if I could squeeze out 10 points out of this. We got close. Looking for that 69 area. If we can get up there and get tapped. Doesn't look like it's going to give it to me, though. Retest a London high here. Probably going to kill this because, like I said, we're not going to let this go against us too much. We're risking 285 on this. So we need to see it get back above London high here. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get the 10 points I wanted. It was worth a stab. I was wanting like a larger move higher, like a quick flush of that Asia high level. It was a very slow and just slow, weak move. Do you have a video that talk about why I use the London Asia chart? Yeah, so I think I created one a while back. I need to do an updated one. I need to create another video talking about that. Cause I think my trading those levels have kind of changed since I've last made a video. So I'll probably do an updated one. I am gonna create a second YouTube channel that's dedicated strictly to trade recaps. I noticed that, like, you know, my main channel here is around like prop firm, right? Like prop firm videos. And so I do want a dedicated channel that talks about my trading. So I am going to create a second one that's purely for recaps and trades. That way we kind of have both. Oh, we might get our 10 points here, chat. Oh, there we go. All right, we got our 10 points. Wasn't in the timing that I wanted it, but we did get our 10 points, so that's okay. So nice little move higher there above those Asias and Londons. About the sessions highs and lows itself. Yeah, I mean, it's good practice to do it. I mean, I use this sessions indicator in TradingView. Helps me out a lot. Kind of color codes it. It gives like the London highs, London lows, and then Asia's blue, Asia highs, Asia lows. Nice little color code. Well, at least we did get one little trade on stream here on the short stream that we have going on. We do got to call it a day here pretty shortly. Just trying to see how we reacted up here, but at least we got a trade in. This evening is going to be a little bit longer of a stream because we'll be trading gold and hanging out. Probably go live at 7 o'clock this evening, honestly. Do like a 7 o'clock stream. It's about 8:30 or so, a little hour and a half session. Kind of just hovering up here, the Asia levels, Asia high, right above it. See what happens on this move here. If we get weak and try to come back down below. What time do you usually trade gold live? Around 7 o'clock Central Time. So Central Time, I'll go live and trade gold. All right, kind of just slow grinding up here still. Chat, I think we'll keep the stream. We're going to go ahead and call it. I do have to hop off and get some things done. We had to keep the morning stream a little bit short. We were able to take a trade, so we got a nice little trade in for 10 points. We're going to be looking for some. I'll probably be trading later this afternoon during power hour, but we will be live again this evening trading gold, so be sure to tune in for that. I do have to hop off the stream fairly early today just to get some things done. I have some meetings and some things here I have to take care of at the house. So short little session today. I hope you guys had a good Memorial Day, fam. I'm going to see you guys in Discord, and then I'll also be, again, like I said, trading live this evening.